Emacala ngomshela mfethu. Ake plomi patiye kavaya. Awucha. Sheba. Ake plomi patinya kavaya wena. Awucha. Yana wanyimba etana, wanyimba etana nauka.
Yekela lentwana ngizayithathela mas.
Emun, wena ma,
Nomchita kahambe lo.
Antwana namhlanje kune party mfethu amagenge asinvayithile umlibazi obviously ngishaye ngekholo ukuthi enhlek kwabo Sihle ziyawo so I bet siyabangena ntwana so yeah we're gonna go there have some fun I mean bra like screw all that beef stuff njengoba like I mean sama gangs relaxile manje mele kubifane ngendaba yamacherry nani asakhona ukurelax asiphuze so mina I feel that the party is into yokwenza ukuthi siphume emagarage you understand singalokhu singwabhane ngendaba yamacherry especially as abantu abadala wa understand because like bheka lentwana lezi encane izocabanga mase kulwa thina understand bazofundana so bra it doesn't make any sense to fight actually to fight in general my expectations are crazy because yo bro like we're talking about crazy people out here so hey I mean angazi what to expect bro so yeah we're just gonna get there have fun if things goes out of hand yeah then you know we'll deal with the situation there but yeah with love I mean bruh it's a Sunday after all we're just gonna you know chill have fun praise the Lord don't do any dumb stuff yeah
okay so today I got an invite ephuma ku Lindi so uyenza ebraai yabo so kule braai le I guess kuzabe kuno Sihle and so angazi ukuthi izophela kanjani because mina no Sihle we are beefing because indaba kanoxolo and stuff yabo so I hope ukuthi ibraai izoba kahle because sekusikhathi manje angawaboni yabo since after liyasinde eyamnayo ukuthi size silwe so I guess ukuthi today yonke into izohamba sharp ibe grand sibone ukuthi kuyenzakalani I hope like that's like today angifuna ukulwa nomuntu let's hope ukuthi ibraai izoba grand ibe smooth yonke into ivayo ngoline same ngoline yonke into ibe grand
Sihle no Lindi baya hosta namhlanje ndiyabona ngagezi ngisazozilungisela so ngizobiza inkabe yami sibangene kube mnandi ayifandaka sifuna idrama today shaya inyama ebhodleni kube mnandi ziyawa fandaka kuzoba lit angazi ukuthi ngizocokani today mara sobona phambili ukuthi izikhiphani kabe yami yeza ngizoyibhelela izwakale so izinto zonke zibomthebelele obviously ngizobamba amabunju phambili bemnandi
namhlanje ngiplane ukubiza ama-out ngashayela ibraai nyana le beef nyana lele nginalo nama-out ukuthi let's just hope lona lizophela yabo like mina ngi-out yasekasa ngibamba ama-gadgets thwathi yabo kuyenzakele into eyenzakele ngimnomlibathi Yeah. Eish. Umlibathi mara yazi, umlibathi marafika sochila lesijwayele ukuchila ngakhona. Shisa inyama yena mangabe unekwali towards mina seyizobonakala but mina ngithukanga ngizithembile nami. Eze nama out wakhe yabona. Yeah. Ona ama out ezoza sishaya utshwala, shisa inyama ziwe. Njengoba ngihlale ngizizwisa vela. Mele badle basuthi. Yaba. Oh. But let's just hope yona lento le izolunga yabo.
Yeah.
Lento le yethu le pipinyana yethu le ngekho. Busy ngisukela.
Iyasukela.
Injani? Sound like that.
Iyasukela.
Linda sekele ku.
So do you need any help from me?
Yeah.
What can I do?
Dale, angithi sibasithu. Yeah.
That's what she said. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Okay. So I do that,
Yeah.
but then on the other side.
Yeah. Uba phone 11.
Nenza sama bangaxola bakhona.
Ah.
Yeah. Usakhuluma. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Ngiligcwale lebhake stand le wathi mabangena nje.
Ngiyangena.
Yeah. Intwana zami.
Bize bani kodwa? Bize bani?
Lonke bandla. Bonke. Mele babona sihlale. Mele sibawashe.
Please don't fight.
Yeah?
Honestly, please don't fight. I know you today. I honestly don't.
Ngiyathanda.
Ngiyasho ngizongixosha nonke.
Wangathathi something yana elanga or ngisondeze umbrella tena.
Okay, please.
Okay then.
Ayithatha. Ngizoyifaka kuphi Sihle? Phela ngithi
Oh. Yeah. Angithi busy ngibathi.
Ngiyahlolela.
Ungakwadi kene.
Ngikapheleni.
Unoxola I think uzoza namhla. I think umuntu kamlibazi.
Umenye ubani? Umenye ubani? Uyadinga. In my yard. What's the nerve for me?
Ngakhosetha mina.
Tell him it's my oh shit. Hi.
Sure boy.
Njani?
Says
Kama wewe wako. Sambani.
Sure. Ngidonsi class ushawa utshwala ntwana yakho.
Awamanye ngisasikhela nje. Manje ngisasikhela uthama.
Dali. Ngikuthelela something?
So can I have a chair?
is there tummy there?
Sure.
Did you get tummy?
Ngikhiphele isitulo lesi esakho darling lesi queen.
Hamba nothama.
Angikhenze.
Afuna kuhlala thama. So what's the occasion?
Yeah, we're just chilling, we're drawing, trying to fix things, I guess.
Since the beginning.
I wasn't beefing with anybody.
But you're not beefing with people, but
Actually,
so, but I guess let me be as in be straight away. I don't want to be in the past. Let's just shoot it fun.
And then, if you guys start fighting, this is my yard, I will fucking kick you out.
Ntwana uhlula utshwala.
So, Kesha. So, as since we listen,
Yeah?
let's have fun.
Cela ngizele namanzi bantwana.
Okay.
Ngizothela uzothela umlibazi darling relax. Boy, cela ngizele namanzi asilwa ngithi. Ya ngicela ungizele namanzi nje mpompini. Kanti wena ufuna ukuza nje? Awuphethanga next ngizogaya utshwala ngizogaya inyama ngizokuyenzela yonke into. Sizobraya asile njani? Asile namhlanje. Asile njani? Ungaroni. Sha. But uzozenza okay. Who's utshwala?
How do you ask that one of you has to go? I don't give a shit who it is.
So, over
Oh,
the
you're not doing it.
Abomdu and like basically the boys and the Zochila and like have a bra.
yeah, because remember I'm still too for Unakoro. So,
invited her? Who invited her?
Out here. Ah, okay.
I'm just asking who invited
You're out
her.
here.
No,
Okay.
But then when you didn't think just to ask me.
No, but
you know, I'm just saying you didn't think to ask me.
Ekuse bolova. Hey, inhlangene. Kumnandi lo mami. Shosho, tot. Nayi yakho. Ha, awufuna ungibamba. Sihle ungivayithele nami ungasifuna nokungibheka ke mfethu. Oyulu umchithe kanjani mfethu? Ithi lo mchithe asangibingeleli mina manje.
Nami ngimangele. How's the team?
Ngiziphi ingane?
Ingani.
Daddy,
Ngicela kimi.
Daddy,
Betheke.
I'm
Betheke.
talking to you, Daddy.
Hayi mfethu.
Umngani wakho lena ukulethe ingane.
Yabona uyakhona bani?
Tona ya. Mna.
Piphani mawuthaba. Mara wakunanga unganasana.
Ah, Tona ya my Sophie.
Awu, efika nje.
Ukhamba nawo Jam. Thanks keep not too much. Thole invite na iphuma ku.
So ni great.
Nakhona uvesa bo.
Awu dog. Uwe nje umavuthela.
Banana wa sympathy.
Athi ngishwa. Echansi ngashinyama ya mpirana tsilana ma. Siyantwini nzoranja. You don't do that.
Asikhona ingane ke manje.
Ayibo.
Baby.
Sorry.
Nodrama ukufaliwa kutatazelwa.
No, actually, I'm not okay, guys. Right now, right here, I feel like we must address this. This whole not follow thingy is not it. That's not who I am. And I'm out here, the streets, like they're famous for things that I don't even know. Was not my name.
Okay, wena sisama nduba igama lakho.
Kamala Mutande.
Wena Thandeka uwe
So would you rather be in the streets with your actual name? Yeah. And so is that the only objection you've got? Like, own it.
No, it's fine ngoba nasendlini singibiza ngomtholo.
No, baby.
Sekajoyina ngoba nami sinya.
That's why I can't hide. I feel like right now it must change. I just did. So from today, from now, moving forward,
Sunday.
Now nakwenda
Go
uchu.
back to drink you on that drink.
Oh,
Yes.
intombazane. Sorry about not calling. Okay. Thandeka. Intombazane. Darling. Please offer Nicole something.
Awuchita uyaze uyamenzela unomjita phela. So wena sisama wena Thandeka. Manje lama rumors la short na vele ibar.
Yes, when you're my favorite. You always know what to do. Okay. Yes, I invite How do I feel when people call me not Olo and I know exactly that Thandeka? I mean, it's not making me feel great because, I mean, things are being spoken about me and in the name of not Olo, but in actual fact, Thandeka. So I'm not happy about that, really. And I did try to address it. I did try to put it out there with you guys, like, just stop, you know, because I cannot Olo. I genuinely expected a nice chilled vibe. You know what I mean? And getting here and actually not getting that was just like a bummer, right? Because I could feel Guti, I'm not really welcomed to a certain extent, and facades were on, like faces. No, you're actually welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. But that was not the case, you know. But yeah. Oh, you saw me with Sihle at some point, dancing and all of that. Like I said, I came here and my thing was we trying to chill, we trying to have a vibe. That's what I tried. Like when I was dancing with him, it meant nothing. For me, it was like, let's be present, let's be now. There's music, he's dancing, I'm dancing. He happens to come behind me. I'm not going to say, no, don't dance with me.
Oh. Apha manga azophela amaphupho.
Nanti iy'nkali zami-ke. Iy'nkali. Ofuthi.
Hayi, ima nomjit ekuseni.
Senzo. Makuliwe namhlanje niyabonga. Ngiyanixosha.
Asiyenzi lento leyo. Ibhloko
Ngiyaxosha. Hawu, usuyayivumela.
Makliwa kuyaliwa baba.
Akuliwa la.
Hayi, Sihle. Angikubizela uzokwenza i-resting ngizokubiza abafowenu. And nomjit awukho.
Etshintsha ngisathukanga manje mayisuka isuka.
Awukahle, siyakucela. Awukahle, siyakucela.
Ubenza for. Khona bafowethu manje ngiyadelela. Etshintsha ngiyadelela.
Ngizonixosha. Please hold on. Okay.
Azokuthi sifikela thina simenye umfowethu la. Hey, mana man. Angiyazi. Khona isilimo esingineze eklasi bengesiyami la. Yabona ukudela lezi nje. Ngizokudlisa ushef. Ngitshela kade asami. Sesimile emakhoneni manje siyalahla manje kade asasizokwenzana. Asibangidini. Sifika la sibiza umfowethu la. Size ephathini. Masifika ephathini sihlala labafana uskinjini la. Wothi angizela. Ayi nami phela ngoba mina kuza kulezi nami lezela. Sifika la siyalwa mabuka ngigqoke abitha sigqoka kodwa uyalo. Wakwalo umuhle isilimo. Hayi kulungile. Anje siqashela labafana beyikinjini la.
Nolindi ngoba
Bafo, ayiphume akaphumele umfana.
Ay, makala kiwo na imani man. Kiwo na imani. Ye makala kiwo na imani.
Usikaqontela.
Ye makala na imani.
Usikaqontela. Sheba, usikaqontela.
Ye wena mfethu wena. Ujalla makala wena. Sis. Baby, I'm defender. Hello. Bona moto jwa wena.
Bathi elibazulu.
Awuswaka sheba. Character yayo tshwanele idisa.
Yabona manje.
Emacala lelo ujalla mfethu. Ake plomi patinye kavaya. Awucha. Sheba. Ake plomi patinye kavaya wena. Awucha.
Ngizophuma nonke.
Yanawa nyimbaitana, wembaitana noka.
Yekela lentana ngizayithathela ama
Emun, wena.
Namenye umfowethu Sihle la. Sekusihle so support uSihle umfowethu.
Thana umeme wena. Mina ngilandwe uwe mina. Mangifika la awusali wedwa njengomemana kwenu. Sekulwa nami futhi. Awusho ngendlela nje sisona.
Yabo Mkabe, mina ngizani namasimba okuqala lokho.
Amasimba noma ungafaka anyaniswa afake inolo sokusala amasimba. La ungenzele kona la amasimba la.
Asidlule lapho ngoba sogcina sixabana
Into
sonke.
engifuna siyenze manje njengamabhinga. Yabona masibuyela lapha ehleli khona. into ethi ibhodle lethi jona siyibhe wena usukela ngebhala sesiphethwe siyabalala manje.
Like for me, what was going on with the fight, what was going on in my mind when the fight was happening, I was not like, I was just like, hey, bro, guys, when did it get here? You know what I mean? And how can I be the reason for all of this? Like, it's not making sense to me, because really, I was not trying to cause any drama whatsoever. And like I said, I didn't expect any conflict, anything like that. I was trying to chill. I thought everybody's on the same vibe, same energy. And to get here, I was very disappointed. Finding out ukuthi ayibo really wondering.
Like according to the party ne, kuthi ngumacala uyiwangifonela. Wangitshela ukuthi useparty. Anamvela obvious hayi, ubumnandi into yami. So no kuthi la mina mangifika lapha yana eparty. Diamond ki diamond ajela macala brawaka. Like next understand what the fuck unginvite jwang ko uthi o jela. Brawaka a etsa le dairenye. O ka etsa wena ko nna direnye.
But you were the one who started the fight.
Brawaka all along go like no come here ke tse. Ke phuthe matso. O tshejela macala wa straight. Okay, macala. Ke macala ka macala. Ne? O tshejela macala wa yona macala yona fedi nna tlo nketsa. Brawaka go like nna to be honest ne. A ke tlo emela ntse sa etsebe. Entle ke a tlo emela masepa brawaka man. Awutshe
wena mfethu sithe hamba mfethu.
Mfethu ima wo. Okay,
ukuthi hamba.
Okay.
wena go shela ke re dinkabi.
Khuluma isuthu ngithi khuluma lokho engizoku understand.
Jole do ketse imply.
Ima.
Uthunya no kishwe nja.
Lalela mfethu. Nawe ngifuna ukwenza into. Okay,
akivayi.
Senzo ufuna ukwenza into. Senzo awukahle mfethu. Ima mfethu
no kinyele.
Engabi. Okay,
angamsebenze ekamera. Wena ufuna ngabo wena. Wena ufuna ngabo.
Awuchat.
Wena ufuna ngabo. Wena ufuna ngabo. Wena.
Ngengisathi
I don't fucking understand, because like today was all laugh, right? And all of a sudden I'm hearing claps. Yo, this nigga clapped me. And yeah, bro, it is whatever what it is, bro. Cause like yeah, ngiyabona ulethi inkabi zakhe manje sekhuluma ngenye izinto esingasitshelanga zona. Mina honestly today I just went there to have fun, bro. Like honestly, genuine fun. Done. Friendship yam no Sihle, bro. I think it was never there, and like Umchito told the opportunity to show it, one understand, because like Sihle was just a friend of a friend, and now he's turned out to be a motherfucker. So bro, like those type of people are not the kind of friend I like to have. Cause like yo, bro, like what if like we end up fucking each other up? I wanna go to jail for a murder case. What if like I got angry and then I picked a screwdriver up and started fucking the motherfuckers for having guns and stuff like that? But you know, it is what it is, man. Fuck them niggas.
But nakushayile.
I wanna go. I want to go.
Sit down.
Bafethu wo. Imasihle wayenza kanje mfethu.
Ngenzeni?
Why manje ululisa abantu lengasivakashele wena?
Bangishayile. Ubonile bangishayile. Amazaza wami bayalahlele phansi. Yabona mfethu ayikaphili daddy. Ayikaphili daddy. Ngisazonyiwa.
Le yantwana yami.
Nami ngiyabona yabo abangani bakho futhi.
Awungeni la. Awungeni.
Asizozwa ngabo.
Lindi.
Kabala, ngiphume ke. Mabangeni yaphuma.
Wena ni unkosikazi wena la ekhaya.
What happened to the party is I honestly don't have an answer for you. 1 minute everything was okay. Kwangeni inkabi. now it's a fucking fight. Honestly, I don't even know what to say. It's exhausting. People are always fighting. We can't just have peace. You understand? Just move on from everything. Because I don't want to say I'm the victim in this situation, but to be honest, I'm the one that's been getting the back shit end of everything. And you think for the sake of just peace, they'd actually just consider my feelings and, act accordingly. But
let the bygone be the bygones. Asithukanga sonke ayiyela iyakhona. Yeah, asithukanga. Nywana ke nywana, akekho othukile. Ngeke sosaba labafana nyana laba.
Baba, usihle ne unomfazi wakhe.
Ulindi.
Unecheria.
Yeah. Yini inkinga ba?
Umfazi yamhlonipha kodwa uyashaya ngabe sayithi amathenda lawo.
Ngiyawabamba amathenda ngiyazibambela.
Izilima kanti.
Intwana zami lezi ngisenzela yonke into tshintsha.
Ngizokhuluma ngamaZulu ngamaZulu. Hey.
Bheka nawe tshintsha vibe. Nawe hamba. Thatha le nto zeniphambili.
Fire, futhi.
Hambani.
Hey. Ufuna kuphila.
Awuthinta, awuthinta apha nathi.